Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your last seen status on Telegram. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to Telegram, open the application, and after that, go to settings, and after that, go to privacy and security. And as you can see here, there is multiple options. We have to check the option of last seen and online, this option, the second one. And as you can see, you have multiple options. So for maximum privacy, you have to select nobody. And of course, if you want to add some exceptions, you can add exceptions, like if you want to show your online status to only one person, you can click on add users and add the person that you want to add. And you can also hide your read time, so people will not know when you have seen their messages. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.